Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change a channel name on Discord. So let's just say we're going to take this general channel that we are right now. I'm just going to slide my finger to the left and I want to change the name. I don't want it to be named general. So we're going to click on the top right corner to the little people icon. And once we get here, we have threads, pins, notifications, and settings. We're going to click on the settings icon. So once we get here, the first thing that pops up is channel name. So I'm just gonna change it. I'm gonna put How to Libraries channel. And we're gonna save it. Channel settings can be updated. So we can just go back and as you can see, How to Libraries channel. And it's saved, and that's how you change a channel name. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.